everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to change the bulbs in the interior lights, all the inside the interior lights. I'm gonna upgrade them to LEDs. So the one on the back, these as well, here on the footwell, in the glove box, but looks like the bulb is not working. Either the bulb is dead or might be a problem with the lights. To change the bulb here, you pry it from this end and the whole dome should come out. So this is the bulb that comes there. It's a W5W, so it's one here, one here. I'll get the new bulb, put it in. If it's not working when you put it there, just do it the other way around, because LEDs have plus and minus. Okay, I think we have a problem. The bulb is too big, so it's not gonna fit here. Yeah. Gonna put the old bulb back and I'm gonna get the right bulbs. So there's no point of removing this one because it's gonna be the same thing. To get this one, I think you just pry it from here. The plastic and comes out. Okay, so I have this one as well, different. So this one looks like it's a K5618. So here looks like I haven't sorted anything because I don't have the right bulb. Put it back. Clip back everything back, and I'm gonna put this so the footwell light, you pry it from one side. Okay, right. So this one as well, I need a different bulb. So same thing with this one. Get a new bulb, put it back on, and it slides back in. On the glove box, I think you have to pry it from here, one end, and one end from here. Looks like I have the same. I need to get a bulb that fits here. So bulb here is C5W. For the lights on the handle, I think you have to remove the handle. There should be some screws underneath, I think, or not. think it helps if you try with this one. Okay, that was brutal. Looks like the light came out. I think it goes in like this. It clips in. So I managed to get the bulb out. As you can see, this one has two little things here that hold the bulb in place. So you push it in and you twist it and it should come out. From what I've seen, it's a T50 bulb. So this is the bulb T50. I have put the bulb back. This should slide in here, I think. And you should clip it on this side. The plug goes back in. Push in these plastics. It's all back secure. I forgot about the sun visor lights. So to remove it, you push it from one end. I think it's easier to remove the plastic. Get the bulb out. This time I have the right LED. This one works. In case you put it in and it's not working, just turn it the other way around. Because like I said at the beginning of the video, LEDs have plus and minus. Not working one side, turn it the other way around and it should work. A lot better. To get the rear light, I think you pry it from here. So it looks like I think you pry it from here. Okay. Have the same bulb. So this one as well is K5618. Put it back and you close the plate. Push it back in. The one in the boot, I think you pry it from here. One. So you pry it from the bottom. This is the bulb. Looks like it's the same like everywhere else, almost. So it's the same bulb, K5618. Put it back. So last one is this one here. I think you just pry it from here. This is the bulb. So looks like I didn't change any of the bulbs because I didn't have the right bulbs with me. But for sure next time when I'll do it, I'll know exactly what to do. For you, I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and see you on the next one.